We're developing new materials that are going to be used in things like rocket engines. I'm Bob Carter, and I make materials that make spaceflight possible. So an alloy is when you take multiple elements and combine them together. The inside here is a copper alloy that was developed here at NASA Glenn. Currently, rocket engines, they're very high performance, but they're also very heavy. So by eliminating some of the metallic materials and replacing those with a very lightweight composite, weight out of the engine means we can put more cargo into orbit. This is a laser powder bed system. I came to NASA actually as a welding engineer. I worked on the Space Shuttle external tank. My wife and I are both materials engineers. It's interesting because probably not very many people have conversations about fundamental material development at the kitchen table. I have 2 daughters. My 4-year-old knows all about shape memory alloys. Those materials I view as enabling for future Moon and Mars rover applications.